This Udemy course has sold over 1.3 million copies, and another course has sold over 1.8 million. Let's say each course sold for at least $19. That adds up to more than $34 million. After Udemy takes a 50% cut, that leaves about $17 million for the creator from just one course, which is pretty amazing. They created the course once and can keep selling it, making money without much extra work. Now, think about if this was a physical product. You'd have to manage suppliers, production, storage, and delivery. Imagine how much effort it would take to earn $17 million from selling something like t-shirts. But with digital products like online courses, everything is automatic. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to start making money in this booming industry. Some might think earning this much is rare, but even if you aim high and don't hit your target, you'll still achieve a lot. I make thousands every month selling different courses, and with new AI tools, it's getting easier. Whether you already have an idea or are just starting to think about it, there's a huge opportunity in online courses right now. Today, I'll show you two ways to create online courses, one that's manual and another that uses AI to handle research, planning, and content creation. It's good to learn both methods because knowing how to do things manually will help you use AI tools more effectively. The first method involves doing your own research. You need to find out which topics were popular in the past and which are selling now. I like to use Udemy for this. It's like the Amazon of online courses, offering courses on every topic imaginable. You can search for courses in your niche or browse the top courses on the homepage. Udemy uses an algorithm to recommend the best-selling courses. When you find a course you like, look into it more. Check the reviews and course details to see what people liked and what they thought was missing. This information will help you improve your course and make it stand out. If you prefer to use AI as much as possible, consider choosing beginner-level courses or topics that aren't very visual. More theoretical courses are easier for AI to handle. For example, an advanced Excel course would require screen recordings that AI can't make yet. Next, create an outline for your course, using the best elements from top courses and including what's missing based on reviews. This approach combines manual effort with AI insights to create a comprehensive course. If you want to simplify your workflow, I recommend buying a course and using tools like Descript to transcribe the videos. Then, you can use ChatGPT or other AI writing tools to help rewrite the content for your videos. Just make sure to keep it original and not copy directly. ChatGPT can help you create scripts for videos that are about 6 minutes long. If your videos are longer, you might need to split them into shorter sections to rewrite effectively. Once you have your scripts, use text-to-speech tools like 11 Labs to create lifelike voices. I'll include links and resources for all the tools I mention, along with any free trials or discounts in the video description below. You could also use an AI presenter tool like Hagen for a live presenter effect in your videos, but I prefer the more realistic voices from 11 Labs. Some people might find it odd to learn from AI. They tend to prefer a video that feels like there's a real person speaking. Hagen's voices can seem a bit robotic at this time. If you're creating videos without showing your face, this is a great opportunity to use your AI tools and skills. You can use Canva for straightforward slide presentations or Pictory for videos that combine video clips and images. It really depends on what approach suits your course topic best. You could ask ChatGPT to create presentation slides for you, and then use Pictory to combine them into videos. There are many ways to create high-quality videos without showing your face nowadays. Alternatively, you could go the traditional route and record the scripts and videos yourself to add a personal touch. These types of courses are often seen as more valuable, but choose the style that fits your brand the best. Being on camera does mean more work for you. Next, you need to think about how to deliver your course smoothly and securely. You can upload your content to a learning platform. One option is using a platform like Udemy, which handles marketing and sales, but takes at least 50% of your earnings. You'll also be competing with similar courses, so try to make yours stand out or combine topics to enhance your course's appeal. However, a few bad reviews can significantly affect your ranking. Another option is selling the courses yourself, especially if you have a platform like a YouTube channel. This method is often better as you can create your own course site, offer multiple courses, and keep all the profits without competition. I use a tool called LearnWorlds, which is straightforward and lets me manage courses for different channels. That covers the manual method of course creation. As for using AI, remember that while tools like ChatGPT and others are incredibly helpful, putting in more effort usually leads to better earnings and fewer refunds. A well-designed course that delivers what students want can generate income for years. Switching to AI tools, one I recommend is Eureka. This tool automates the research process we discussed in the manual method. It helps you explore topics and see how many courses have sold and how much they've earned, which is great for spotting worthwhile opportunities. Just type in a keyword related to your niche, like weight loss, and it will show you a range of related courses. The tool I'm talking about calculates the average price and gives an opportunity score. This score is figured out by an algorithm that looks at how many people sign up for a course and estimates whether a course might reach at least $2,000 in enrollments. It also considers other factors to predict how successful a course could be in a specific niche. There's even a 30-minute tutorial on how to use this feature that I suggest you watch before starting. You can refine your search using filter tabs at the top, allowing you to dive deeper into specific niches. One useful filter is the badge filter, which highlights the best sellers and highest-rated courses across all platforms. The search results show you key details like course length, earnings, and sales numbers at a quick glance. Clicking on a course will give you more information, including a description, course outline, and reviews. There's an AI gap analysis button that points out what might be missing or what could be improved in a course. You can save this information to your library for future reference and brainstorming. For example, I found topics like hypnosis, fasting, and mini habits under weight loss, which I hadn't thought of combining before. Pairing two such topics could make for an even more appealing course. Next, you can use the AI Lesson Architect or Content Planner to start putting together your course content and lessons. These tools are connected to ChatGPT and help organize your work, store progress, and improve your prompts, making it easier than using ChatGPT alone. They provide a framework and guidance to help you build your course. You'll still need to create your video content, either through AI and then upload it to platforms like Udemy to sell. But with Eureka, the research, planning, and scripting, which are usually the most time-consuming parts, become much faster and easier. Thank you for sticking around. If you've enjoyed this walkthrough on creating and selling online courses using AI, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Profitability Plus for more insightful content on making your work profitable with smart technology.